I'm currently working as a master data specialist because I'm joining part-time right now, and because I will be fully focused on June, so I become a full-time student by then. I mean, because more and more companies are talking about like digitalization right now. So actually I see, even though there's a lot of like AIs coming out, like the Devin AI, I mean, even them, they are still hiring for software engineering. Yeah, that's the really funny thing lah. So I mean, I still see there's a demand to help like those smaller companies to maybe to help them to grow their businesses, because there's a lot of companies especially in Ipoh, they are still not really familiar themselves with this kind of things and knowledge. So I still see the demand. Yeah, eventually I wouldn't say it's my end goal it's my mid goal, or yeah, because the end goal I wanted to be able to help like smaller companies to achieve like they understand technologies, they can use technologies to help them to grow their businesses, because usually smaller companies, they couldn't really afford like those high level technologies because they couldn't, it's too pricey for them So yeah I'm hoping I can achieve that kind of level. Maybe I can, if they need like some issue, then I can create maybe a small program to help them. I would say right now for me, the really difficulty is I'm kind of stuck between a beginner level and intermediate level. So that's really difficult for me to push above this level. Yeah, I'm trying to build a website currently. Yeah, I already did like the wireframe and everything, but just starting is very hard. It's difficult to like really hands-on. It's like I'm stuck between that kind of stage now. I try not to exploit any framework and any AI tools first, because I think it's best for me to build it from scratch, really understand the whole thing, how it works. I'm planning to do a few sites using Scratch, like from scratch. Then only I will explore like frameworks like WordPress, those kind of.
Right.
Then I will have like better understanding. Maybe it's because it's fundamental. The thing is quite simple. I would say it's quite simple to understand. Everything is okay. It's really good. I mean, you guys do really prepare well for that. Yeah, so it's actually guiding like step by step. I saw a video explaining the function, how you create the parameters, and how when you call the function, like the parameters will go into that. I think this is a really good explanation. Yeah, because you show like how the thing goes into it. So I think it's very good to understand, easy to understand. I think moving forward to like when I'm in the middle of this course, I think around August, I think I will start look for a job. Then I will do some freelancing first. I will definitely do some freelancing work first, because I couldn't like wait without any income. So I think I will try to do some freelancing. Then meantime, look for a job. If we couldn't find any job, I think I will still continue doing freelancing work.